What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, One Killer Scat, back at it again with another video. Let's get it. Thank y'all for tuning in to Red Key TV. Y'all already know what time it is. Go make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I'm doing some stuff to the Scat Pack right now. About to install me some tire letters, white on white. So I already started the process, but I figured I'd shoot a little bit of the video because I haven't shot a video in a while. All right, let's get it.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
All right, we out here getting it. Y'all can see I'm sweating and we working over here. There we got the two tires off the back of the car. Yo, and just like that, man, we got the car all fixed up, put on my tires. Like I said, not a complete install video. Don't feel like doing those as much anymore. But if you do have questions, feel free to hit me up and I will answer them. Hit me up on Instagram, One Killer Scat. That's _Scat. Just like the old one. There it goes behind me. I'll unblur it in just a second. But she is all finished up, completely done. I love the look. Some people aren't going to like it. Oh, well, not your car. This is mine. So I'm going to do what I like to the car. And I love the look, man. So let's go ahead and turn this camera around and get it.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Bro, and just like that, man, this video is done, over with. I got so many things that I do want to show y'all. I have been modding the car. There are other videos that I got shot before I've done these tire letters, so it just really depends on what order I decide to go out on. And once again, I got these from TireStickers.com. Once I am not affiliated in any sponsorship, I just have shot with them over the years. I love them. I know some people are gonna say they kind of tacky. I don't care. They look good. I can't wait to get some rollers done on this car. Even with it blurred in the background, man, that thing is fire. She look good, man. That's my baby Coco. Once again, 2023 Last Call Stinger edition. That's what I put on the tire stickers. Stinger and Last Call is what I put on there. So if y'all want to see the mods that I've done to this car, man, make sure y'all get in my comments. Let me know something. Hey, man, we miss you on the channel. We want to see more of you. We want to see what you're going to do to it. Blah, blah, blah. Let me know, man. The more engagement I get on the channel, the more willing I am to do some videos. The less engagement, I'll shoot a video when I shoot a video. Y'all see that I be in and out. Every now and again, I shoot a video. But if y'all give me more engagement, I promise you, I got stuff to do to this car. I will shoot it. If not, you just got to catch me out and when you see me. I'm back home in Texas, so if you in Texas, hit me up, cause I'm be out here. I'm be in different parts, so let's get it.